In this video, we are going to talk about something called prompt priming. It's a fancy term, but we'll break it down so it's easy to understand. Prompt priming helps us get better answers from ChatGPT by giving it more information. When we use prompt priming, we are like giving ChatGPT clear instructions and background information to help it understand what we want. The more details we provide, the better the responses we get. If we don't use prompt priming and just ask a simple question like, give me some marketing strategies for my garments brand on Instagram, we might get general answer. These answers might be okay, but they won't be super specific to our needs. Now, let's compare that to using prompt priming. Imagine we say, I'm a garments brand and I want to market on Instagram to girls in Italy, aged 18 to 25. What are some effective marketing strategies for audience? With this extra information, ChatGPT can give us much better advice, like using local language and culture and working with local influencers. So, prompt priming helps us get more personalized answers. Let's look at another example. Suppose I am a recent graduate looking for a job in the IT industry. I want help with my resume and cover letter. When I give ChatGPT this context, it can give me more specific advice tailored to my situation. It might suggest customizing my resume for each job, even if I don't have a lot of work experience. This shows how powerful prompt priming can be. Prompt priming is a way to get better answers from ChatGPT by giving it more information about what we need, whether it's for marketing strategies, job hunting, or anything else. It helps us get more personalized and helpful responses. So it's a pretty cool tool to have in your toolbox